Hey everybody, welcome to this video. This is the Frontrunner station in Provo, Utah. If you look, the tracks that the train is on are the UP tracks. There's a double main line there. And then you can see the two Frontrunner tracks closer to us in the image. Yeah, so you can always look this up on a map and see where we are. I'm actually sitting in my van near the tracks. You'll see me in some later video. Um, what else would I say at this point? I was actually recording the background noise while sitting in my van. I was only recording it on my Galaxy A51 phone, so it's not, a high quality phone to get really good sound. So I do play some of the background noise. There was a moment of slack action that was really cool that you'll get to hear, although I don't think that my recording does it justice. Um, so yeah, enjoy the video. And I actually play that background noise. I might throw some music in somewhere. I'm not sure yet. So I hope you enjoy it. Oh yeah, heads up. I'm about to play the audio of the slack action. It doesn't sync with the video. The train's already moving. It's obviously not starting out. So I'm just putting it in somewhere so you can hear it. Okay, enjoy. Okay, let's go for the bang 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 here. Yeah, love that noise. And a second heads up, let me just mention real quick, I'm using a bad filter, so that's why you're seeing jerky motion in the video. Sorry about that. I've been into drones for a few months, but sometimes I just kind of get lost and I forget to point the camera up like that, and get the better view in view. So this off to the right there is like where the tracks curve to the right. That's the UP yard in Provo. Someday I'll go get some video of that. I made a post on a website called gotdrone.com. So if you're interested in the Utah laws, I made a post about them. And yeah, check out gotdrone.com. Go to the blog. It should be the pinned post for a while on the blog. In that post, I talk about Union Pacific Railroad and whether you can fly over their property or not. They have a policy posted on their website, and the Utah laws are really pretty strict about flying over private property. I didn't check, but if they have any kind of no trespassing signs up or any kind of fencing, then you can't fly your drone over it under the current Utah law. Now, people will dispute that. Go check out my article on gotdrone.com to see my full reasoning. Hey, I just want to explain right here. I'm going to look down and see where I am over the bus station. There's a bus station right next to the Provo Frontrunner, and I'm going to discover as I look down. Man, this filter's really messing up my motion. Sorry, the motion's so bad in this video. There we go. Okay, I can figure out the controls. Yeah, so there. Oh no, I'm over a road, so I'm like, maybe being over the sidewalk is better. I could stand on the sidewalk and fly the drone right above me. So I think I'm over the rocks. There we go.
Takeoff. The home port has been updated. Please check it out below.
Alright, well that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I just thought I would show you this. This is the drone on its return to home. So if you look down, You see the little blue dot that's right next to that blue-green van? You can see me there. I'm standing like above the van in the picture. And you see the little pad. I just thought it was a cool shot. I thought I'd throw it in at the end here. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I will post some more stuff. It's not going to be my main effort, but I'll get out there and get some drone video of railroads that's better than this. Although I'm kind of happy with the way this turned out. Okay, enjoy. Have a good day.